Hi everyone and welcome to the very first video here on Techcravers Now, the new home for all tech content that doesn't quite fit under the retro and handheld gaming umbrella. Today we're kicking things off with a quick look at something a little different, the specialized Turbo Levo Alloy G3. It's sleek, it's powerful, and yes, it's electric. The frame is made from strong, lightweight aluminum designed for mountain biking, but totally fine for everyday riding as well. It's got built-in cable routing, which means no messy wires hanging out, and it has 150mm of suspensions travel in the back. Translation, it can soak up bumps pretty well when you're riding on rough trails. Up front there's a suspension fork called the Marzocchi Bomber Z1, and it gives you 160mm of cushioning on most sizes of the bike, which again just means it's going to feel smooth when the ground gets rough. In the back it's got a matching rear shock from the same brand, which helps make the ride even more stable and comfortable. The real star here though is the motor. It's a specialized 2.2 trail-tuned motor and it gives you electric assist while you pedal. Basically it makes hills easier and lets you ride longer without burning out. The motor is paired with a 700 Wh battery, which is built right into the frame and offers a lot of range for full day rides. Controlling all this is a little screen on top of the frame called the Mastermind TCU. It shows your speed, battery life and how much help the motor is giving you, all in real time. As for the gears, the bike has 12 speeds, plenty for climbing, coasting or cruising. It uses SRAM parts which are high quality and super reliable. You change gears using a thumb lever on the handlebar, and the chain, cranks and cassette are all built tough to handle trail riding. The brakes, they're powerful SRAM DB8 hydraulic brakes with big rotors, 220mm in front and 200mm in the back, so stopping is sharp and safe even downhill. The wheels are actually different sizes, something called a mallet setup. You got 29-inch wheel in the front for better control and stability, and a slightly smaller 27.5-inch wheel in the back, which makes the bike feel more agile and responsive, especially when you're going downhill. It's a smart design that gives you the best of both worlds, smooth up front, playful in the back. Up top the handlebar is wide and solid, giving you good control, and the saddle, the part you sit on, is designed for comfort even on longer rides. Of course it also has a dropper post. So overall the Turbo Levo Alloy G3 is made for trail riding but totally usable for casual riders too. It gives you power when you need it, a smooth ride even when the ground isn't, and it's built like a tank but rides like a dream. Thanks for checking out this first video here on Techcravers Now. If you don't want to miss what's coming next, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Everything I upload that doesn't quite fit under the usual Techcravers umbrella, like smart home gadgets, tech gear, vehicles, headphones, reviews and first impressions of that, will live right here on this channel instead. Basically, if it runs on a battery or plugs into the wall, it might show up here. You're the reason this is fun to keep doing, so thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.